Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are with Dr. Subodh Kumar Pandey, sir. He is Director of School of Agriculture in LNCT University, Bhopal. Welcome to Thoughts on Education interview program of collegedunia.com. Sir, please introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Subodh Kumar Pandey, and I have joined this university, LNCT University, in June 2023. Earlier, I was in Narendra Deva University of Agriculture and Technology, Kumarganj, Faizabad. There, as a scientist, I am there, holding the different positions. I spent 33 years in teaching, research, and extension activities. And after retirement, my thirst for education still continues. Then I have gone for 1 year in Dehradun Shivalik Institute of Professional Studies. Later on, I have chosen this University College because it has got a great name. So I want and I am pleased that the management has accepted and given me the responsibility of the School of Agriculture.
Sir, since you have been in the education sector for so long, so what keeps you connected with the education sector?
The students when they are coming from school, it's my personal opinion that they are the soft loaf. It is the responsibility of the person who is head of the school, whether it is of different colleges, but I am of agriculture. So if you give them a proper shape and the students respond accordingly, so students can go up to anywhere, any height. And as a teacher, if I see the students, those who have attained a big position, then it will give a good feeling. That's why I was connected. Anyhow, the students should go better and better. So till date, I am thriving hard to get the students and give them a shape so that they will excel up to any level. Recently, a student who was got a package of 1.5 crore in Corteva International Agency, and he's there. So I hope in the near future, more and more benefit the students will harvest, and that will elevate the name of the college, and the name of the university will go up. Naturally, I will also be a part of it.
Sir, being the director, what is your philosophy of leadership?
When you are dealing with the students, then nowadays in present scenario, just because of the information technology is at its peak, and students get everything on Google and Chat GPT and everywhere. So now it is your own knowledge and how you deal the students. You cannot from one stick you can harvest all the students, because there are certain students who are weak. There are certain students who understand very properly. So we have tried in our faculty that in classes we should sort out those students who are weak, those students who are very strong, they learn very fast. So we have started doing the flip classes in the classroom, so that those students who are slow, they come to the place of the teacher and teach whatever the topic yesterday they have given to them. By that way they are getting more and more information, and एक जो उनके अंदर घबराहट का पार्ट होता है that will be reduced. तो उससे होता क्या है कि बच्चों को भी कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि हमारा इसको एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है, तो वो एक अच्छा थॉट होता है, और उनके आगे बढ़ते देख करके मुझे जो खुशी होती है मैं उसको पर्सनली आपको क्या बताऊं.
Sir, how does the curriculum ensure that it is the best practice of industry?
As far as agriculture is concerned, there is a board of studies meeting, and ICR, who has designed this course, they have very clearly mentioned that everywhere you have to conduct a board of studies. In board of studies, there are 2 members from the industries, so that whatever development and whatever the industry demands, according to that, the 20% courses should be reduced or added according to the need of the industry. Because after passing the courses of agriculture, the student has to go in a job anywhere in the industry. Either they wanted to go for the startups. As the government of India has already started that instead of giving the grants in research, they are not going to count that how many startups you have given. So by that way, if you give those knowledge to the students, then they are in a position to go for a new startup, and that will give a very good result.
Sir, what do you think your roles and responsibility towards the university and towards the student are?
As far as the teaching is concerned, the courses which has been given by the ICRB, we are following properly. It should be taught, and not only taught on the day, but a day before. What the teacher going to teach tomorrow, they will float those chapter in the a day before on their groups, so that the students get read it, and after reading on when the teacher comes to the class, they will discuss all these things. So by that way, twice they are reading. So subjective knowledge they will get from the classroom, and the same will be repeated in the field in a practical form. If there is a agriculture field, the plants are there, students are going there. If there is any iteration or testing, it is there. Then we have got a lab in which the students will get training on it.
Sir, what would you like people to know about your institute that they may not know?
I can say one of the best as far as the agriculture is concerned. Best teaching is available only in university. I can assure it.
Sir, what do you see as the greatest strength of your university and especially School of Agriculture?
One part is the discipline, and the second part is here all the students will be treated as a students. There is no up and down, no caste or anything, poverty, anything. They all will be treated in a बिल्कुल similar manner. बिल्कुल किसी तरीके का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता। ये एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है। दूसरा, एक जो रैगिंग का पार्ट है वो यहाँ ज़ीरो। और स्टूडेंट्स आप देखेंगे कि जिस समय क्लासेस स्टार्ट होती हैं, यू विल नॉट फाइंड एनी काइंड ऑफ साउंड इन द कॉलेज, एंड इन द इवनिंग, इन द लंच टाइम, ओनली इन लंच टाइम यू got the students out, and 1 बजे से क्लासेस शुरू होते हैं, एग्जैक्टली ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स विल गो इनसाइड द क्लासरूम. So that itself shows कि if you are dealing with the 18,000 students और वो सब ऐसा कर रहे हैं, तो there is a discipline, which is the biggest part. And if the students are learn the discipline, learn how to behave with the teachers, and they have got a respect in their mind for the teachers, मेरे ख्याल से this is the biggest thing of this organization.
Sir, in your perspective, what are some of the biggest challenges for the higher education in general, and for, I can say, you think you need some improvement in the School of Agriculture?
You see, day by day the world is going on very fast, and the challenges before the agriculture are huge. Why I say these things? And development को पॉइंट बना करके जितनी एग्रीकल्चर लैंड है, धीरे धीरे वो कंस्ट्रक्शन और बिल्डिंग और इसमें चलती चली जा रही है. एज फार एज द पॉपुलेशन इज कंसर्न, तो वो कंट्री की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ती ही चली जा रही है, वो तो रुक नहीं रही है. तो नाउ द डिमांड और सप्लाई में स्थिति ये है कि आपको सभी को फीड करना है, और ज़मीन आपके पास कम होती जा रही है. लैंड होल्डिंग्स जो हैं वो छोटी की छोटी होती जा रही है. तो ऐसी कंडीशन में वी हैव गॉट, हमारे पास पानी की भी कमी है, हमारे पास ज़मीन की भी कमी है, हमारे पास फर्टिलाइज़र की भी कमी है. तो ऐसी कंडीशंस के अंदर हमें कुछ ऐसा सोचना पड़ेगा जिससे कि हम, एयर बचती है हमारे पास, वर्टिकल बचता है, तो वी कैन यूज़ द वर्टिकल, वी कैन यूज़ सम वाटर, हाउ टू सेव द वाटर. तो उसमें फिर ये हमारी नई जो टेक्नोलॉजीज़ आ रही हैं, हाइड्रोपोनिक हो गया, एरोपोनिक हो गया, कि हम वर्टिकल में प्रोडक्शन कर लें, क्योंकि सीड की भी एक लिमिट है. कोई चीज़ 100% हो नहीं सकती. हम ब्रीडिंग के बारे में कहते हैं कि हाइब्रिड सीड्स आ गए, तो हाइब्रिड सीड्स का भी एक लिमिट है. 95% के ऊपर आप नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो जो वो भी ऑलमोस्ट वहाँ पहुँच गए हैं. अब बाय द यूज़ ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स, तो सॉइल का बायोमास हमने ख़त्म कर दिया, तो वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी उसकी ख़त्म हो गई. तो वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी खत्म हो गई, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि उसके अंदर बायोमास रह नहीं गया. अब धीरे धीरे लोग ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइज़र, ऑर्गेनिक मासेस के ऊपर फिर से आ रहे हैं। इसमें थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, वो एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है कि एनी हाउ वी हैव टू कोप। तो अब वो ड्रिप इरिगेशन की बात आ गई, तो उसमें एक एक ड्रॉप हम पानी देंगे बाय दैट ओवर पोजीशन। दूसरा एरियल में करेंगे तो प्रोडक्टिविटी भी हमें बढ़ानी है एंड क्वालिटी वी हैव टू मेक, क्योंकि पेस्टिसाइड से हमको दूर रखना है, बायोलॉजिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स का हम इस्तेमाल करें। तो कीपिंग ऑल दीज challenges as compared to other branches in agriculture are more, what I think, and it is evident also.
Sir, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
What it is?
Sir, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring student?
Instead of going for more on theoretical knowledge, if they learn the practical knowledge and those focal points which are very essential for the development of the plant, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि they go anywhere using the agriculture या उसको लेते हैं, एग्रीकल्चर लेते हैं, तो उसमें वो सक्सेसफुल होना निश्चित हो रहा है। तो जिसको कहिए कि आप they have to be very precise during the course of लर्निंग। एक जनरल जैसे पहले पढ़ाई होती थी उस तरह से करके, और सब्जेक्टिव नॉलेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लेकिन उसका फिर प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन में जो ट्रबल्स आते हैं, हाउ दे कोप अप विद दोज ट्रबल्स, इफ दे सक्सीड इन इट, दैट्स व्हाट
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for doing the interview with the collegenet.com.